Myself Rajpriya Kaur. You are watching News Movement English. Welcome to this channel. Let's have a look on these updates. A R factor over around 1 in some state, India registered a marginal increase in the daily case load on Thursday. The government bulletin says that 42,982 fresh coronavirus cases were officially registered in the last 24 hours. It was also the second consecutive day when India logged over 500 COVID fatalities. The health bulletin said that 533 Indians lost their lives due to COVID complication. In yet another substitute sign, the number of active cases in India are on a gradual upward path. At present, India has 4,11,076 active COVID cases. The official health bulletin says the daily vaccination rate plugged to 37 lakh 45,862 on August 4. In comparison with August 3 data, there was a drop of 42.8%. Motion Open Scholarship Test for Class 7 to 12th student. Get up to 50% scholarship for season 2021 to 22. Motion Durgapur Center. You can contact the number 94348 Youth Congress of Asansol demonstrated at Watchtower near court against Pegasus spyware. It was led by Asam Mustafa, Indrani Mishra, Sumit Mukherjee, Prem Narayan Singh and others. Speaker were of view that this spyware has been used in India, which violates the right of privacy. Biofina. Drink healthy, stay healthy. Lychee flavor. For trade inquiry, mail care @rkmgroup.in. Toll free number 1800-258-7060. Traffic service has been started with instruction to follow the COVID-19 protocol issued by the government. In COVID-19 protocol, traffic service was started with 50% capacity, due to which there was a huge increase in the fare from 25 rupees to rupees 50. That is the fare was double at all places. But Asansol to Chittaranjan, Asansol to Barakar, Asansol to Disadgarh, passengers are being stuffed in big buses and mini buses opening from Asansol to all other places, especially on the route from Asansol to Chittaranjan. When they ask the bus driver or khallasi or the conductor in his regard, they will argue and are ready to fight. The protocol of COVID-19 is not being followed. The pockets of the passenger are also being cut well. No concentrate step are being taken in this regard from neither the police administration nor the district administration or the district magistrate office. The fear of third wave of the most, it seems that all the people are involved in the hoax because of the negligence of police department. Most of the police personnel are engaged in minting money as bribe from two-wheeler and four-wheeler vehicle entering Bengal from Jharkhand side through civic volunteer. The scene of extortion can be easily seen near the newly opened petrol pump near rail gate in Salanpur area via Asansol to Chittaranjan. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Child Welfare Commission had information about trafficking with a minor in the sex village of Lachipur under the Niyamatpur outpost of Kulti police station in West Bardhaman district. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Sanjeev Kumar Yadav according inauguration of one-day blood donation camp organized by BJP Mandal Ek and Youth Forum Kulti near Kali Mandir located in Baltodia under Ward number 66. Mayor cum BJP leader Jitendra Tiwari cut the ribbon on the occasion. Jitendra Tiwari said that the people of BJP do blood donation work.
कुल्टी के विधायक डॉक्टर अजय पोद्दार जी, इस मंडल के भारतीय जनता पार्टी के प्रेसिडेंट, ब्लड बैंक के जो लोग जिनके अथक प्रयास से आज ये ब्लड डोनेशन कैंप यहाँ पर लगा है, और भी जो वॉलंटियर्स हैं जो यहाँ अपना रक्तदान कर रहे हैं। कुछ दिन पहले नेशनल ह्यूमन राइट कमीशन का एक रिपोर्ट हाई कोर्ट में जमा हुआ और उस रिपोर्ट से
इस इलाके के हमारे बोमदा का और इनके साथ में इस इलाके के सारे लोगों का सहयोग रहा है, तभी ऐसा रक्तदान शिविर, उसमें हमारे पिंटू मास्टर जी हैं, शंभूजा हैं, इन लोगों का पूर्ण समर्थन और इलाके के लोग इनको बहुत अच्छा मानते हैं, इनके साथ हैं, तभी इस तरह का आयोजन संभव है।
बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूं कि भले ही फूल माला हम लोगों को मिल जाए, लेकिन ये फूल माला जो कुछ भी हमें दिया जा रहा है, इसके मूल हेतु आप ही हैं। आप आज रक्त दे रहे हैं, तभी आपके रक्तदान पर ही हम गर्व कर पा रहे हैं, इसलिए आपको भी बहुत बहुत बधाई। प्रेस के जो लोग हैं, आपको भी बहुत बहुत बधाई कि आप हर अच्छे काम में को बहुत सुनियोजित ढंग से जनता के सामने रखते हैं। इस इलाके के लोगों को बहुत बहुत
Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Barabani Block Dumhani Bazaar Post Office Printing Machine bad money withdrawal form for nearly 2 months. People are making money with Xerox. The new account will not be available at post office than at the post office. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Village of Samdi Lahat, we broke into a few Kali temples. The MLA of Barabani come to visit the temple. Panic spread among the members of the temple community as cracks were seen in the premises of Lahat Ama Kanjan Kali Mandir in Salanpur block. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Minister Mamata Banerjee on Thursday held a meeting with Nobel lecturer economist Abhijit Banerjee to discuss the third wave of COVID. When Abhijit was asked about opening a school college in the COVID situation, he said, "The Chief Minister has started thinking about opening a school college." Mamata said, "The idea of opening a school after a day after worship is going on." When asked which class are you planning to start? Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Highest ever single day ticket checking earning in PRS Asansol division on 4 August 2021, Asansol August 5, 2021 on 4 August 2021, Eastern Railway Asansol Division under the dynamic leadership of Shri Sumit Sarkar, Divisional Railway Manager Asansol, earned rupees 10.54 lakh in ticket checking drive, which is highest ever single day collection, surprising the previous best of 9,58,178 earned on 30 October 2019. On 4 August 2021, in the massive ticket checking drive in Eastern Railway Asansol Division, as many as 1,812 cases were detected and total earning were 10,54,935. There are 5 ticket checking bays over Asansol Division, and out of them Jassi D base deducted 636 cases and contributed of 4,37,420. This feat could be achieved by Asansol Division by dint of hard work and synchronized team effort. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Early meeting of Division Official Language Implementation Committee, Eastern Railway Asansol under the chairmanship of Shri Sumit Sarkar Asansol. The quarterly meeting of the Divisional Official Language Implementation Committee was held under the chairmanship of Shri Sumit Sarkar, Divisional Railway Manager, Eastern Railway in Asansol Division of Eastern Railway, to promote the use and spread of Hindi, the official language of Union of India. The meeting was inaugurated by Dr. Madhusudan Dutt, Rajbhasha Adhikari, Divisional Railway Manager Shri Sumit Sarkar, Additional Divisional Railway Manager Shri M.K. Meena, and all the branches officers were welcomed. All officers presented details of his remarkable work in the official language Hindi during last quarter, which Sanskar Prasad be rearranged in ceremony. Lawyer House of Hindi Library, New Launch, Subhadra Kumari Chauhan Hindi Library, Coaching Complex, Jassi located Harivansh Rai Bachchan Hindi Library to be rehabilitated in the new room. leading all the matic inspection are being carried out in the system of branch officer. Rest is after this break. News Movement present YouTube channel for news in Bangla, Urdu, English and Hindi. Now I am presenting SMS of News Movement. When life is difficult and when everything turns bad, always remember that even a turtle can finish the race as long as he never gives up. Thank you for watching our video. If you like it, then please share, subscribe the video. Don't forget to push the bell icon for further notification. Thank you for watching our video. If you like it, then please share, subscribe the video. Don't forget to push the bell icon for further notification.